many creators get this wrong. They film a video and think it's a review, but it's actually a demo, or the other way around. And that confusion is usually the difference between a UGC beginner and someone who's more seasoned and professional. And I want you to know the difference so it doesn't cost you brand deals. Today, I'm going to break it down to you in the simplest way possible. I'll show you how to film both a review and a demo video using these two products right here. This is going to be so simple a fifth grader could do it, and so valuable that you'll probably want to start filming both of these right away. Here's what most people don't understand. A review is your opinion and your experience. And a demo, that's showing how something works. And you know what? Brands need both. Reviews help customers decide if they want it, and demos show them what they're actually going to get. So before I move on and dive into these snacks, I want to tell you about something. If you want to connect with like-minded people, people who are wanting to learn UGC, people who are wanting to learn how to make money online, I want you to come join the Content Creators Hub. We have over 450 members in there, all brand new, all wanting to learn. We have coffee at Google Meet every Friday. We really connect with each other. We really support one another. And honestly, there's so much free stuff in there. So if you want to join us, the description's below. I would love to have you. Let's get to the review. A brand has hired me to try these snacks. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to research everything I know about these snacks. I'm going to read the labels front and back. If they have a website, I'm going to go check out their website. I happen to already have experience with this brand because I've tasted another flavor, so I probably know I'm going to love it since I love the last one. So I'm going to factor that into my review because remember, this is about your experience and your thoughts and opinions. Once I do my research, then I get to formulating my hook. And I want there to be 3 parts to that hook. I'm going to have text on screen. I'm going to be doing something, probably chewing on one, and then I'm going to be saying something. All 3 of these things are going to be designed to get people to stop and watch this review. If you like spicy snacks, you're going to want to listen to this. The next part of this review is going to be my thoughts on the first taste of this. Did I love it? How is the crunch? Is it too salty? Is it spicy? I'm going to share the points about this snack that make it exciting for me to choose this. I want the viewers to know what attracted me to buy the snack in the first place. I'm trying every one of Daily Crunch's flavors, and this one is sweet and spicy Szechuan. Check that out. Sprouted cashews, crispy edamame, and chili flakes. Now, the very final part of my review is going to be a call to action. The brand's usually going to tell you what that call to action would be or what they want from you. Let's just say the brand planned to use this on their TikTok account. And maybe they had a buy one, get one free special going on, so then I'm supposed to mention that in the ad. Let me show you what that looks like. You might want to grab these now because they're doing a buy one, get one free. That's it. That's a product review, guys. Remember, it's all about your opinion and your experiences of the product. Now let's talk about product demo, and I'm going to use these little earbuds. A brand hires you to talk about these earbuds and share how they work. So just like the product review, I'm going to first research the brand. I'm going to learn how this product works. I'm going to learn about all the features and then get right to planning my hook. Remember, it is text on screen, it is visual, and it is doing something at the same time. I just wanted cute earbuds, and now I'm accidentally that person who has way too many earbuds, but these are the earbuds that I tell everyone about. The next part of this demo, I am going to actually talk about why I love this, the features that mean the most to me, and how I plan to use them, and maybe highlight something that I think would be important for someone else to know about these. And actually take a picture from the case itself. And check this out. Can you help me find the nearest gas station? One touch voice assistant, so when I'm driving, it makes it easy. And this cute little touch screen has everything I need. And then finally, I'm going to wrap up this demo with a call to action and let people know there's an inexpensive way to have earbuds that do all the things you need them to do. Can't beat the 40 hours of playtime you get with this. No, you don't need another pair of earbuds, but you probably should get this one. Now, I want to tell you, sometimes you're combining both the review and the demo, and those are powerhouse videos. I just bought my husband a Steve Aoki backpack. He loves it. And I plan to do a product demo review of this, and this would be the perfect product to combine both. I show mine and my husband's reaction to the backpack, and then I demo all the things that it can hold. So sometimes you're going to get hired for the review, sometimes you're going to get hired for the demo, and sometimes it's both. Does a brand want your experience and your thoughts and opinions? Or does a brand want you to help their customer make decisions about the product? Okay, let's do some quick filming tips for this. What you don't want to do is hold the product and hide your face. Make sure that product is right next to your face when you're talking about it. People just don't want to see what you're talking about. They want to see you too. Your reactions are everything. So hands-only content is fine with overlays, but make sure you have face and product content as well. And I know I harp on this so much, but natural light is your best friend. Stand in front of a window if at all possible. And if not, be sure you have some really good lighting that doesn't wash you out. So I'm going to give you some homework. I would love for you to pick one product to do a review on and pick one product to do a demo on. Choose something from around your house and just start with whatever feels easiest for you and something that you really know and love already. And tell me in the comments what product you're thinking about choosing and which style you want to do. And just remember, every creator started right where you are, at the beginning, nervous and scared and all cringy. That's so normal. The only way this is going to start feeling better is that you start doing it more and more. So just practice. You don't have to post it. Most people never get that far. So just the fact that you're here watching the video with me, I know you're ready for it. Now, if this video gave you any value, if it helped you understand a little bit more about reviews and demos, I would love for you to like and subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber, so all the support means everything. I really wish I had this when I started my UGC journey. So it's nice to know that you have someone in your corner. And even if you feel like you need more support, remember I have a community just for you. I really hope you're enjoying this UGC Portfolio Bootcamp series. I'll be back next week. We're going to be talking about voiceovers. I'm going to show you ways to do it that's easy. You're going to have so much fun with it. And this is especially great when you just hate your voice or you just don't feel like being on camera. So I hope to see you come back next week. Remember to hit record, say the thing, and be brave. Bye.